Hello and welcome to the overview for Run the Day, a reporting mechanism for SLT members and admin members to see what is going on in the day for your school. And here you can see we are putting in the absences for the day. This will highlight on the report where there are teachers missing or we've got some cover. And then we've got the duty staff here. We are picking our SLT members or whoever is on duty for that period, so that they can go around and pick up all the hotspots. And you may be able to put more than one duty staff member in there if you are a larger school, because you might have two people running around trying to sort issues out. And obviously you can delete them as well. And there you can see there is the report below. And you can click there to download the PDF of that report to share it amongst your staff members. You could also use this as a standalone app because it has got a school chat function too, where all of your members on duty can have the table in the background and the school chat up in front of it. As we scroll back up, you can see you can actually add a duty staff timetable already. Week 1 was done here, week 2 wasn't in there, but you can choose who you want in there and it will populate the duty staff attached to each period here as well. Then this Run the Day is set so with the half terms, and it takes data from the last 20 days, so the last 4 weeks, excluding the holidays. And here is the school chat. So here, if you just want the chat alone on standalone, you can type in there and the message will go to everybody in the Run the Day team. Here, this person is going for the SLT to floor 1, please. Send it. That will go to everybody who's got that app open. And obviously, if you don't want to use that, there is a function there, a little button that will put it in front. And maybe you want to acknowledge that you are the person that's going to do that by clicking the little thumbs up button. As you can see here, the red means that it is more of a people have been sent out or they have been given a warning, and then that becomes a hotspot. So you can see there we've got a teacher that is yellow, that is away, and a hotspot, and the teacher might want to go there. Run the day. Every school day with convenience.